Hey there everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been so long since I've been here. Today I'm bringing you all Purple haul video, products I received from Purple. So let's see what I've got and try them. Dermdog brings for you authentic skincare solutions that are designed to nourish, hydrate, and enrich your skin's overall health with a range of products that cater to different skin types and different skin concerns. They focus on healing and balancing your skin from within. They bring for you clinically proven healthy chemical ingredients with their skincare products. Their products are paraben free, sulfate free, and cruelty free. This is the Dermdog range. First one is anti-acne face wash, then sun protection gel cream, then anti-acne face serum, then skin radiance face serum, and then dark circle under eye gel. Let's hop into the Dermdog salicylic acid anti-acne face wash. What are its benefits, product specifications, and details? Start your skincare routine in the most perfect way with Dermdog's anti-acne face wash. Infused with salicylic acid, it makes sure to clear your pores from deep within. With each wash, it makes sure to protect your skin from acne-causing bacteria. This is ideal for all skin types: clogged pores, acne and pimples, blackheads, dead skin cells, normal skin, and oily skin. Now let's hop into the Dermdog Sun Protection Gel Cream with SPF 30. This is a lightweight, gel-based, non-greasy and fast-absorbing formula that keeps your skin all protected from the harmful effects of the sun. It offers the high protection SPF 30 formula and seeps deep into your skin to protect it from the inside. Now let's talk about Dermdog Dark Circle Under Eye Gel Roll-On with Niacinamide. Dermdog Dark Circle Under Eye Gel with Niacinamide helps your under eye skin in a number of ways. The skin on our under eyes is the most delicate. It requires special care and moisturization. Thus, Dermdog brings for you a formulation that takes the best care of your under eyes. Dark circles and puffy eyes become a thing of the past with Dermdog Dark Circle Under Eye Gel. Enriched with blemish-treating properties of niacinamide, this formulation helps in treating under-eye darkness, dark circles, and dark spots, making your skin look brighter and glowing. Now let's talk about Dermdog Salicylic Acid Anti-Acne Face Serum. Infused with salicylic acid, it makes this formula even more enriching for your skin. Salicylic acid is the most powerful fighter against acne. This product is ideal for acne and pimples, all skin types, clogged pores, dirts, and skin impurities. And the last product is Dermdog 10% Niacinamide Skin Radiance Face Serum. This serum has the best ingredient for skin radiance, niacinamide. This product is ideal for dull complexions, dullness, excess sebum, and normal skin. Dermdog Anti-Acne Face Wash contains a superior system of extra-strength emollients and humectants clinically proven to bind water to the skin and prevent moisture loss. Among all acne-fighting ingredients, salicylic acid is one of the most effective and excellent chemical exfoliant. Take a small amount on wet palms, gently massage on damp face, avoid the eye area, rinse off with water thoroughly, and I recommend using twice a day. The benefits are deep pore cleansing, hides visible pores, skin exfoliation, anti-acne, and blackhead removal. It deeply cleanses the pores and oil and thus prevents acne and makes the skin soft and smooth. This Skin Radiance Face Serum is enriched with 10% niacinamide concentrate that provides you radiant, glowing, and beautiful skin without any hassle. It treats uneven skin tone and texture, providing you with even tones, brightened, glowing, and supple skin. And the benefits are enhances skin complexions, improves skin appearance, improves skin barrier function, regulates sebum production. Dermdog Anti-Acne Serum is a lightweight yet extremely moisturizing formula made to keep your skin acne-free and hydrated. The benefits are anti-acne, skin cleansing, unclogs pores, and slows off dirt and impurities. This is just superb. It really does what it claims. This water-based serum perfectly suits my acne-prone oily skin. Say hello to hydrated and plump under eyes with Dermdog Dark Circle Under Eye Gel. Gently press the tube to dispense the product. Lightly move the applicator to evenly distribute the gel. Pat the excess gel gently. I recommend to use it at night before bedtime. It's ideal for all skin types, dark circles, and signs of aging. Derm Doc Sun Protection Gel Cream with SPF 30 brings for you an effective sun protection formula. This product is ideal for all skin types, dark spots, sunburn, UVA and UVB rays, premature aging and sun damage. And the benefits are sweat resistant, UV protectant, broad spectrum, no white cast and sun protection. It absorbs easily and takes care of your skin for a long period of time. This sunscreen works by blocking the absorption of the sun's damaging rays that cause sunburn and premature skin aging. Say hello to the sun with a smile and full skin protection with SPF 30 and Derm Doc. So this is gonna be the end of this haul. This was my first time trying Derm Doc and I can't explain in words how much I loved the products. The sale details are Purple Beauty Carnival from 22nd to 27th June up to 50% off plus get a chance to win an iPhone using coupon code. The details are in my description box, so don't forget to check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'm gonna post another purple video tomorrow, so stay tuned.